everyone, I'm Holly with Stella Quilts, and welcome back to our series on 50 blocks for 50 states. Following along with the patterns from this book, the description box below has more information about this book, as well as a link for the adaptations and full instructions on each of the block patterns that we've put together for you all. Today's quilt block that we're doing is for the state of Georgia. So let's go ahead and just get started. For the Georgia block, we only need a few pieces. We need 8 3x3s, 5 3x3s of our medium color, 8 3x3s of our light, and then 4 3x5.5 of our medium as well. So to do this, the block itself has a corner unit that we're going to work on first. For that corner unit, we're going to need the light and the medium. And what we're going to do is we're going to surround the light with the medium. First, we'll sew these two together, and then we'll sew this. The next step for this block is that we're going to snowball this corner using our dark fabric. So to do that, you'll just put your fabric across that corner where the two medium fabrics line up and stitch across from corner to corner. You can do that multiple ways. You can draw a line from corner to corner so you have a stitching line. You can press from corner to corner and then sew inside the ditch. Or if you have diagonal seam tape on your machine, that works too. I'm going to go ahead and draw the line on mine and stitch down from corner to corner. Now that we have the dark square sewn to this corner here, we'll just push this back so that we can make sure that the corner is in alignment with the square that was there previously. And then I'm going to trim off a 1/4 inch from the seam allowance, the extra fabric here. Also then going to just finger press this back. Being careful not to stretch the fabric, but just to get a decent enough press so that we can lay out the block. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and lay out the block. We've got our center, and then we've got the lights going around the edges. We have more darks. Whoops. And we have all of our corner units with the dark to the center. So the rest of this is going to be to sew the dark to light on all 4 of these sets. And then I'll just assemble this just like a 9 patch. Sew the row together and then sew each of the rows. And here's the finished Georgia block. Thank you for joining me today working on the Georgia block. This was block number 10 of our series. I hope you enjoyed this and you continue to follow along as we journey through all 50 states. Make sure you hit subscribe so that you don't miss out when new content is released. Have a great day and happy quilting.